Hey everybody, welcome back to another Ricky style video. We're going to be looking at my proudest program I've ever made, the Musical Calculator. I designed it with C#, my own design, no tutorial, so I found these solutions myself. It's a musical calculator, bra style musical calculator. Musical calculator, cha! This calculator, has 4 basic operations, brah. Just, type in one of these symbols, brah, when you're asked for a calculation type. So this is just a little visual to show you which symbols. To choose a musical scale, type in the assigned number of the scale, brah. Okay, so I'll just show you what I mean. We have every basic major and minor scale in the tonal system. So 24 scales, major and minor. Let's choose a random one, 11. Type in 11, and that will give us D major scale. Click enter. And then it will have you input the first number that we will use in our calculation. So choose random, 17.5, yes. Then you choose an operation, so we'll type in plus. Okay. Type in your second number, 30.778. Just, random numbers I'm thinking of. Okay, there's our first calculation. So yeah, let's try another one. Let's choose F# major scale. Go ahead and do 40 divided by 20.113. Press enter to keep calculating, bro. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's the musical calculator. You can click enter, do infinite calculations. G minor scale, 99 times 99.88997799.2. That might be a big ass number. Oh, that's not as big as I thought. It was a pretty cool little tune. So yeah, guys, that really sums it about up. I mean, it's a calculator first and foremost, right? So you can do all your calculations on this. There we go, guys. So there's the demonstration. Alright, so as you can see, we are at the top of the script here, setting the console window width, window height. Now, I am a noob programmer, so I do not know why, but this, the width height only seems to work on my PC. I put this program on a Windows 11 laptop. It didn't keep these settings. We set up some strings, okay? Now, these strings are the calculation parameters. We got the first number, the operation, the second number, all being inputted by the user. We have a collection of arrays here, integers. These are 11 integers, each of them being a note that pertains to a certain chromatic scale, or scale in the chromatic system. We have an array of arrays, and this array of arrays has every scale in a singular collection. Okay, we have this is all the visual instructions here. You got all this typed out telling you how to use it. We got the collection of scales written out here. Here's the user input. Okay, you're inputting the scale number, the first number, the operation type, second number. These are all strings being inputted by the user. We've got, just a tiny little bit of debugging here. not the only debugging I need to do. This only fixes a little bit. String is null or empty method. So I'll show you if say one of these strings is empty, it will say like actually I thought I removed this message. But yeah, basically you get the point. If one of these strings is null, then it will default give you that message. So this is basically, this whole area is determining the scale depending on what you typed in the user input here. Whatever scale number you typed in. Oh, that's strange, the formatting changed. Whatever scale you typed in, it's going to check for each number on the list here. So if you type in 24, it's going to say, if this motherfucker typed 24, this initialized scale here, it's actually going to become equivalent to the 23rd scale in our scale array. So AKA, it's going to become G sharp minor. We have some character arrays, okay? Here we have a parse method turning the numbers you turned into also a decimal basically. So you got to turn the string. Okay, you type in a number that's just a string, but this will turn it into a decimal value, and it will create also a character array from it. So here's where the calculations are made. If it's a plus, then first of all, create a sum variable, a decimal. All the strings are turned into decimals, and it is first number plus second number, okay? And you create a string for the sum. Now the string is the sum decimal turned into a string. Okay, so we turn the sum back into a string, and that string is then turned into a character array. Did I need to do that? So I'm not sure if I actually need these here. Hold on. So yeah, I don't know. I think this is a little oversight. A little something that I may have missed here. I'm just gonna test if I even need these. It's been a little while since I developed this, so let's try. Okay, yeah, so I guess I actually had a little oversight here when I was designing this, or, creating it. We can go ahead and remove this. It's my bad. Okay, so yeah, we actually do not need to turn the first number string, with the user input string, into a character, because we only turn the calculation into a character array. And the reason we turn the so we have a sum, and we turn it into a string, then from that string we turn it into a character array. The reason we do this is because we're going to print each number one at a time, right? So it prints one character at a time. Every single character is assigned a note in a scale, depending on which scale the user selected. So when go into this for each loop for this this character array we did, so the number that is calculated in the end turns into a collection of characters. And for each character, it is going to run through this entire for each section and check every single digit or character. And if it is that certain character, print that character, the single character, and then it will also beep. using the beep method. 1 digit at a time, and the integer value of the pitch is we're grabbing the scale that was plugged in, and a pitch from that scale is being used in every beep. And this the same for each loop, and decimal decimal to character array happens in every single calculation that we got going on here. So we don't need to look at the rest of those because it's the same thing. Oh, here's here's what that other message comes from. So yeah, guys, here's some this is the message that pops up when you finish a calculation. Tells you click enter. And so we got a read line here, so you can go ahead and type something, or rather, click enter, and then it will clear everything. Okay, and that, once it's cleared, will restart this while loop, and this while loop is the entire program running. So yeah, guys, that's how it works. That's the musical calculator, chow. Chow, bro. You know what I'm saying? So on some calculation type shit, we out here. 99 divided by... So right on, guys. Right on, guys. Yeah, I hope you all enjoy the program. Hope you gained something from this video. Okay, what a peculiar calculation that is. Holy fuck. Alright, guys, have a wonderful day or night. Happy Thanksgiving. Peace and love.